Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair Honor Earbuds 3 Pro with any MacBook. So first of all, you have to input left and the right earbud inside this charging case, then rotate this case, click and hold this power button until the indicator starts blinking. Right now we can release that button and put this case close to your MacBook and do not close this cover. Right now we have to go to the settings on our MacBook. We have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then select Honor Earbuds 3 Pro from the list. At the end, I can recommend you to open the sound settings and simply check for the output and the input device. Just be sure that Honor Earbuds are selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.